Hi, buddy. Hey, guys, check out Elvis, man. He is so cool. This is an Asian water monitor, and he's about 9 years old. Look at the size of him. He's like 6 feet long. And what do you weigh? Huh? About 30 pounds, 40 pounds. He's so awesome. What's up, buddy? How are you today? Mwah, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Hi. Lizard kisses. Hi.